Good morning. Today's October 30th, 2025. This is the guy from Michigan coming to you guys live. Hey, anyone that's new to my page, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I want to dive into yesterday's price action a little bit and let you guys know what they're actually trading. So yesterday, this is where we started off yesterday. We started off yesterday here. This is where we were at in the morning yesterday. This is our trading range. Okay. We were expected to trade within this range of 248.13 and 250, so on and so forth. And like we said, our game plan yesterday was to just trade our range, trade our range. At the end of the day, check out what they end up doing. Every time they got above and outside of our box, even a little bit, which was 250.25ish, and which we said this was a shortable zone, 250.50 was shortable. Every time they got up to 250.50, what do? They try to stay there, and then finally, wham, all the way back to 50% of our box, in which then they lost that. Once they lost that, check how price action actually went for yesterday. Let's see. If you notice one big thing, yesterday we had who speak Powell, and Powell told us that we can get our 25 basis points, but we can't count on anything other than that right now at this time. The market lost it. That was the big shocker to the market. Something that we predicted, just based upon their prior comments stating that they are data driven. So, with that sentiment there, we kind of expected that, right? At the end of the day, check out where they actually, when they fail, and this is IWM, the Russell 2000. When we fail, here's where we fell to. Where did we touch, you guys? Where did they bounce off of exactly? Could it be our box that we drew from when? 1017? Our 1017 box? You guys remember this box? When we said they must hold? If you zoom in, you'll see exactly where they bounced out of. Here, our box. So to me, our box is still a what? Must hold. It's back relevant to us. This is a must hold area. They must hold, and this is for anybody who's looking to be in a bullish position, so on and so forth. They must hold this 244.90 because the moment you start closing 5-minute and 10-minute candles in this box here, your next target is 243.32, 243.41. Okay, so again, 24341 is the next target. The moment they start closing candles in here, what I think they're gonna do, and they did this in the past. What do they do, you guys? They buy the what? Buy the dip. So expect them to get to this 244.80 area and look at this big bounce out of it. Expect them to be able to do that again. That is the first test. Can they do it again? So expect them to get here. They're gonna try to bounce. If it's a failed bounce, it'll go something like price will go something like this, and give you an example. If I can find this. Okay, cool. All right. If it's a fail bounce, you expect price to come here, from the come up, have trouble, come back down, have trouble, and then finally do what? Break through and end up here. 242.32. And listen, on the flip side of that coin, you know what I mean? You got to play devil's advocate, okay? If you're looking to get in long, so on and so forth, you have to be able to play devil's advocate with this. Let me show you guys. Now, on the flip side of this, say they do hold this 246, and which it looks like right now it's what 8:34 a.m. Looks like they're kind of somewhat struggling to hold 246. And I'm looking at a 30-minute chart. I'm not zoomed in anywhere else. Okay, this is a 30-minute chart. Say that they are unable to hold. I'm sorry that they are able to hold this area. So expect that little. You're gonna get some sellers coming in the morning, right? So expect them to come here and bounce hard. They need a hard bounce here. And if they do, this is the 247 for them right now. That is the go zone. That's where they want to get back to. You see all this consolidation here? That's where they want to get back to. Okay. So, and then you have to build and you still have to close candles going from this 247.38. You need to go and then you need to start to close candles to the upside to retarget this area here. Okay. So you can take a position, bullish or bearish, based upon how you feel this morning on this market. I will say, I was looking at. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Wait. All right. Sorry. I will say I was looking at another chart of mine. This one right here, and look at all this redness. Look at all this redness, and look, we still have some space to go. for before we can actually have some hard support. So right now, expect them to hold the levels that they're at right now. Expect the bounce, okay? If anything, expect the bounce. You know, they're going to try to target what we say, this area here, which is 249.37, okay? Be nimble, take your time, trade your levels. You know what I mean? Nothing's guaranteed. Listen, you make that 10%, 20%, 30%, get out, 40%, get out, get your money. No, there's no need to stay in any of these contracts longer than you have to. And hey, you know what I mean? If anyone has any comments, anything they want me to look at, hit my line. Let me know what's up. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Just remember, you guys, you know, if we start closing candles here, the target's here. We start closing candles up this way, our target's here, okay? Play it like that. I think you guys would be good. One other thing I'm monitoring right now on a 30-minute, what do we have happening? We have some bearish sentiment. Let me just point this out to you guys one time. You guys, anyone who listens to me or ever heard me do a video knows I'm always tracking our 50-day and our 200-day moving average. And if you guys take a look here, that is yellow. That's our 50. Cross it into our what? 200-day. That is bearish sentiment. So, whew, take what you guys want from this. Make your money. Get in, get out. Get in, get out. Get in, get out. But at the end of the day, happy trading to you all.